In Excel, you can easily add a note to any cell either by right-clicking the cell and selecting New Note, or by going to the Review tab on the toolbar and clicking New Note. A small yellow box will appear where you can type your message. This could be a reminder, explanation, or extra details about the data in that cell. Once you click outside the box, a tiny red indicator appears in the corner of the cell to show that a note is there. You can view the note anytime simply by hovering over the cell, which makes it easy to check information without cluttering your sheet. If you need to edit the note, right-click the cell and choose Edit Note, and you can change the content, format the text, or even delete it entirely if it's no longer needed. Now, let's talk about the difference between notes and comments. Notes are simple, personal reminders, like sticky notes attached to your data. They're great for your own reference or quick explanations. Comments, on the other hand, are designed for collaboration. They are threaded, which means you and your colleagues can reply, discuss, and track conversations directly in the cell. Comments are perfect for team projects, reviews, or shared Excel files where multiple people need to give input. Understanding this difference helps you decide whether you need a quick personal note or a full conversation thread in your workbook. Using both tools effectively keeps your spreadsheets organized, informative, and easy to navigate.